We made it to Switzerland. Naya's sleeping. It is super early. It's 7:45 in the morning. We left at 3:30 a.m. which was way too early, but we wanted to do this so Naya can sleep the entire way over here. And we just crossed the border of Germany and Switzerland. Phoenix is at the shop right now trying to get a vignette for the car. You have to get a vignette in every country that you go to if you're gonna be driving there. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is just insane, unreal. So we're about to check in. I had no idea we were going to be this close to the waterfall. This is going to be our spot right here. We wanted it right next to the facilities just so it could be a lot easier for me to deal with Naya. And also we got some shade because of this huge tree. And then of course the huge waterfall. Damn, I look dead. I said I wasn't gonna do my makeup. I will at some point, but not today. Naya's in her bouncer. We're getting the tent going, and then I'm about to start bringing down the stuff. You having fun, Naya? What we're gonna do right now is check out the entire camping ground. We're gonna check out that waterfall, and then there's a river right behind all of these trees. And then once I have a better idea to where everything's at, I'll give you guys a tour. But oh, I'm obsessed. We're making our way to the river right here, but I just seen a third waterfall. So we have the big one. This tree is blocking it. I don't think I've ever been this close to this big of a waterfall. And then I seen that one, and I just seen that third one. And then if you look to the left, you have some mountains with snow on them. Phoenix is down there touching the water. Oh! I'm gonna zoom in for you guys because this is unreal. That mist, and you can actually see the people going up, but I think right, I'm gonna point to them right there. That's probably as far high up as you can go. I love it. There's a cute little ice cream shop. We're just making our way to this little town. Naya fell asleep. Of course, all the water sounds help. Not only do you get one huge waterfall that I'm gonna show you guys 100 times in this vlog, you get 2, you get 3, you get 4, and I'm sure there's more. Cemetery. I wouldn't mind being buried out here. We're gonna try and make our way into that town on that hill tomorrow, most likely. Right now it's definitely just browsing around. Ooh, look, that's the way. You want to go since Naya's sleeping?
Like how, push her up there? Or?
It'd be better if we wear her. Okay, we can do it tomorrow then. Ooh, look, coffee. Wake up in the morning, walk over here. Oh my gosh, wind. This is such a great vacation spot. The This is for the people who are staying around here and want to come visit the waterfall. Chicken wrap, 21.50 franc, which is a good $23. So the town is maybe I mean, as soon as you walk out of the campground, pretty much you're in the town, but it does take a good 2 minutes to get to this area right here, which is where I would think it kind of starts. What about
cheese?
Swiss cheese? That's pasta. Hello. Oh wow. The lemon one. Get into this Swiss ice cream. The sorbet trio. This one. The lemon sorbet with vodka. Okay, this is gonna be where we turn back. This is the train station, and you can hear a waterfall at all times. There goes the cable car. We're gonna check out this place and see if there's any seats, because those smoothies look really interesting. Switzerland is known to be a little bit on the pricier side. Spaghetti, 17. This veggie one looks so good. So I did have a sandwich before starting the walk, so I'm not hungry, but I won't mind a little snack, a little drink. Are you gonna do beer or smoothie? This place is self-servers. Says please order at the bar inside. Sit down and enjoy our new breakfast items in the sun. This is nice. Naya's just waking up. She's giving me that look. It's so fresh out here, you guys. I am obsessed. Check this beer out. That's one good beer.
Hey!
You want to sit over here now?
What are you doing? Hi, mamas.
I brought her snacks. We got some nachos with homemade guac and then salsa. Okay, just got back into the camp. We're gonna head to the supermarket, which I think...
You see other bakeries in that little spot?
This one right here? Yeah, I guess. See if we find anything. Oh, look, the camping shirts.
You got tank tops?
I don't see them. I don't think so. I don't think any of them are tank tops. Oh my gosh, but you need these. Oh, you need these. We actually came prepared this time. We brought a lot of things that we thought we wouldn't need. One, we brought beer pong. We brought forks. We brought knife. We brought paper plates. We brought cups. We brought trash bags. Let's see. Okay, the wine's not that bad. You could get a bottle of wine for $6. That's not bad either. About $3 for some ice cream. Let me check out the cafe because I am curious to see how much this is. So 2 francs for espresso. I think I'm gonna come here tomorrow morning. Phoenix went to freshen up a bit. I don't think I've showed you guys, but the facilities are right there. There's a laundry room right there, and then the WCs are right the next little door after this window. But they have some family rooms, and I definitely have to show you guys because I was shook. Like, I can go in there and shower comfortably with Naya. No, you can't eat flowers. You're such a happy baby. Bravo! My Naya! My Naya! Bravo! So comfy. Comfy baby. Okay, I'm 100% gonna give you guys a tour of this entire place because there is just way too much to see. Phoenix is out there in the swing with Naya while I hang out here. I'm actually gonna try this. I want to say it's Swiss beer. It's pretty good. I am shook at how much this place has to offer. There's a grocery store, there's a restaurant, there's a pizzeria, there's a bar, there is an area for RVs, for tents, for cabins. There's literally everything. And this town is actually really small, so you can do it all in maybe 2 days. We're gonna be here for 5 days, 4 nights. So it's more than enough to do this town and around. So Interlaken is only like 15 minutes away driving, but to do here there's also mini golfing, there is paragliding. It's insane. I love it here. Hey, are you looking at the people? She loves people, you guys. Phoenix just hooked it up with some udon noodles, you guys, on the jet boil. Good morning, guys. It is a new day. Baby girl is super cozy over here with her huge bomber jacket and some jeans. Oh, obsessed. I took like thousands of pictures of her right now because she looks so cute. Phoenix picked up some coffee and I am gonna start the day by doing my makeup today. We're gonna go check out that waterfall. So I'm in one of the beauty rooms, and first thing first, I'm gonna put my phone to charge while I do my makeup, brush my teeth, and all that good stuff. I like how convenient these bathrooms are to us. So I'm gonna have a quick snack, and before we head out, I'm gonna make a small little sandwich. Hold on, I gotta put this stuff away. We got salami, Gouda cheese, and some turkey. All right, ready to start the day. It is 11 a.m. We're gonna head up to the waterfall. Okay, we're at the starting point. It doesn't seem like a long walk. Lauterbrunnen Switzerland. Oh, that's cute. Oh, okay, it's for pictures. We have to do that. All right, we walked a good portion. I am so tired, but this seems to go straight, and then I see a few more stairs over there. But this tunnel right here, you guys. Naya! It echoes. Okay, let's do this. You can already see the water and feel the mist. We made it as far as we can go. Mist feels amazing. Let me see if I can get it closer. Oh, yes. Ah! Making our way down to the train station. We're gonna see if we can take it up to the small town. And we're in the train. Naya just woke up. She was asleep since the moment we left the waterfall. Wait, these trains are a lot better than Germany's. Also, shop your inline masks. Buy one, get one free. Buy anything from the store, get a mask free. Say hi, grandmas. Both grandmas. Oh, yeah. I'm doing a time lapse, you guys. This is insane. We're officially higher than the waterfall. We made it to Wengen. 4,100 feet. Hi. Hi. can't believe we're higher than the waterfalls. We're heading into Coop. It's a little mini grocery store. We're gonna check it out, see if we could get any snacks so we can go hang out by the grass area over there. All right, let's check out prices. Milk, 2. This right here, Exact Crema, I get it in Germany for 119 euro. Look at this cheese rolled up. Blue cheese. You want to take some blue cheese home? Ooh, we have to try some type of cheese. You guys, cheese. I mean, this has to be cheese. I had to go for this carrot cake. Look at how good this looks. This Swiss-made shop. We're gonna check it out. The snow globes. I wanted to get a snow globe from every place that we've been to, but like we started going to so many that it was just like, do I want one?
Snow globes are like kind of like.
Maybe by country I could have done that, not by, you know, city or town or state. Check out this insane view. Naya's having so much fun. She was cracking up right now. It was hilarious. We're just taking it all in. Also, how cute is this? The way they made it, like the person who made this, right on. Boo! Boo! What a beautiful baby. Hi. Naya. Ay, qué hermosa. Hi. Hi. Yeah.
Hi.
Hi. We're back in Lauterbrunnen. I have to say we've seen at least 15 different waterfalls, and it's so hard to see them from down here, but once you're going up that train you can see them. I don't know if you guys can see that one right there. It looks really skinny, but they're actually pretty big. It's just insane. That just tells you how big that waterfall really is, since it's the most noticeable one. We got some Swiss beer. We're walking to our tent just to get Naya a blanket. It's 6:30. She usually goes to bed around 7:30. So we're gonna walk for a little bit, hopefully get her tired. And then this time around, we're gonna go to the left. I just wanna show you guys again how amazing this place is. I wanna say this is one of the best campgrounds I've ever seen in my entire life. Our tent is right over there in blue. Let me see if I can point to it. Right there in that corner. I love it because we have the facilities right there. We have the kitchen, the laundry room, the restroom, and it's not too crowded. There's barely any people in there. You maybe see one person going in, but just look at this. We're in between this huge waterfall, and then we have the small one over there. That one's a little bit small. You can't really hear it. I want to say it's all that one. That one's the main one. That's the reception right there. Great service. And then you just have everything to the right. You're going to the town to the left. I mean, we're about to find out what's over here. Just imagine living out here. Just this location. Look at this road. Tiny. But look at this view. Having this view here in the waterfall 24/7. I can't. Obsessed. Instead of going back to the same road that we came from, we're gonna take this little path and go along the river. Look at this crystal freaking clear water. Oh my god, this place looks amazing. Look at this water. I hate that it's so windy because it's hard to enjoy it, but this view is just amazing. I'm not mad about the clouds. I'm not mad that it's cloudy. This is just insane. I feel like the clouds just make it look extra crazy. I was telling Phoenix this place gives me such Norway vibes, even though I've never been. You know, I would love to someday, but if I don't get to, can't even be mad at that. It started hailing like crazy, and you see a bunch of people pulling over. But okay, it's calming down. I don't understand how nice like we do this. We just came across this Ferris wheel. Also, how cute is Interlaken? We found a good spot to hang out. We're gonna make it a beach day today. Okay, that's good enough.
Yeah, that's how you sit in it, because it has like the
ladder?
You need to put more.
I need to put more hair.
Yeah.
Can you do it?
I'm second guessing myself.
How are you standing in that? Phoenix is going in. I cannot believe you did it. The sun has been coming in and out. I got in, probably up to here, put my hair up with my mask because I didn't have a hair tie, but that felt good. It was really cold. Phoenix stayed in there for a good 10 minutes. I was in and out. You're straight chilling, huh?
Where's my phone?
You're straight chilling. Wondering what exactly that is right there. Guy just took off.
That shit looks exhausting.
We came down to get some pizza. We're gonna go with the margarita pizza. It is 6 p.m. It is raining still, so we're gonna go hang out in the lounger, which is this room right here. Okay, so we actually came to the kitchen room because they have a high chair, so this is gonna be perfect for us to hang out. We did get some items that we can, you know, just throw in the microwave. We also got a pizza. We're waiting on that. Phoenix actually went to go check on it. There's a microwave here, so it makes it a lot easier. I'm giving Naya some noodles, and then she's also gonna have some pizza tonight. I think I rate the pizza 4 out of 10. Also, it's cleared up a little bit. I'm gonna put some stuff in here and get the baby carrier, and we're gonna go on a walk. It's day 4 already. Can you say good morning? We are heading over to the kitchen to heat up some food. We're gonna eat some bolognese mac. Okay, I thought Phoenix was behind me. He's joining us now. How beautiful is this place? Can you hold her? I like how low the clouds are in the morning. So gorgeous. I'm also gonna be putting all the phones to charge. Hey, are you ready to eat, Mama? Okay, so we're getting ready to go and see about those bike rentals. It is the coldest day, so she's wearing some thick pants and a huge oversized sweatshirt. Naya is ready. I'm also kind of hungry, so it's gonna be perfect to ride for a few hours and then get something to eat. We're going for 2 medium-sized bikes, and then he's gonna bring the little wagon for Naya, and then we're gonna put it on Phoenix's bike. I'm so excited.
We should have did this yesterday.
We should have. I'm afraid she's gonna be scared. So we're riding into the valley now. Excuse the heavy breathing. Whew. As much as I love this, I am not fit for it. Hi, Mama. You're just straight chilling, huh? Okay, little rest stop. Oh, I totally just put my shoes in there. This water is so good. Oh. That's some good water. Yeah. You slowing down.
What?
You slowing down.
I didn't slow down. I said look.
Yeah, I'm fine. Okay. I just ate. The show continues. No, you really slowed down. I tried pressing the brakes and too much. Too much.
Oh, you pressed the brakes too much?
Yeah. Yeah. I won't blame it on you, but I pressed them because I was about to, can't you? It wasn't too bad.
It was. Did you get it on camera?
I got it on camera. This elbow and this knee got it. I saved the camera though. It's such a smooth ride going back. We're gonna check out the restaurant that they have here and see what it's all about. Are you a tired, beautiful baby who's hungry? Yeah? Really quick, here's the menu. We did go for a few things. We went for the soup of the day, which is celery soup. We're also getting the cheese fondue bread, and then we're also doing the elbow macaroni. Elbow macaroni. Ooh, that is hot. Nope, nope, nope. Fastest fingers in the world. The soup of the day. Ooh, and then the fondue. So I knew that my macaroni came with applesauce, but I totally forgot about it. I was eating them separate, but I just decided to try it together, you guys. And it's so good. So good. Oh my gosh. You have to try it together. That's good. We decided to leave early today so now I could get some sleep on the road. But I'm so sad. I don't want to leave. Ending today's video right here, you guys. I will try and leave as much information as possible on this trip, how we got there, etc. down below in the description so you guys can check out. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed to join the Various Shields family. And I will see you guys soon in a different country.